Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today I have some happy mail to share with you, and this first one is coming from Angelica. She is Crafter's Treats here on YouTube and Instagram, and this is what she sent. Let me make sure I don't show the address. But look at how cute! Oh, holy night, peace on earth, merry and bright. And then she wrote in the inside, it just says, Eileen, Merry Christmas. May your blessings be many. May your joy be great. Wishing you peace, love, and happiness this Christmas and throughout the new year. Sending hugs, Angelica, Crafter's Treats 2017. And she had sent this cute little tag kit. And if I could get it open, there we go. She has the tag all set for you to create. It has some sentiments that you could choose from. How cute! It says, dreaming of a white Christmas, cozy, cookies for Santa, Christmas in the air, and there is glitter, guys. How cute! And then she also included some of these really pretty Christmas colored flowers. I think this is such a sweet thought. Oh my gosh. And then it has the beautiful tag with all the glitters on it. And the hole's already punched out for you. And on the back it says to and from. And I think that is just so adorable. You could create your own little special tag with the sentiments and the flowers. And it's very thoughtful. I really, really do appreciate you, Angelica. You're always so thoughtful and so on time. I am so far behind on everything. I do apologize for sharing this so late. It's just the holidays have got the best of me, and I am so not prepared. But I do appreciate it, girly, and I will definitely put this to some great use. So that came from Angelica. And the next one, this is from Jocelyn, and she is also on Instagram. And look at how cute this is. She's got all the Christmas trees all lined up. And then she's got some washi with some penguins and some presents. How cute! And the little baby deer. Oh my gosh. Let me just cover this. And she's got a little sleigh. I mean, look at this little guy right here. Merry Mail. Oh my gosh. This is adorable, and I don't want to ruin it. I really don't want to mess it up. So let's see if we can. Oh yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. And then here we go, and it just says warm Christmas wishes. And oh my gosh, girl, oh, look at her beautiful writing. Oh my gosh, wow. Wishing you and your family a super happy first Christmas in your new place. Aw, hopefully you get everything you wish for. Also wishing you the happiest new year. May it be amazing and full of great things. Girly, you are so, oh my gosh, so thoughtful. Thank you, thank you. Look at all her beautiful stickers. Oh my gosh, she even put the washi on the inside. Look at these fun little slippers. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I love all the stickers. Look at this abominable snowman. She's got little music notes here. Look at the reindeer and Santa. Oh my gosh, so cute. Girl, Jocelyn, this is beautiful. And then she included, look at this die cut. How sweet is this? Oh my God. I love this. Girly, this is so sweet. So sweet of you. Thank you so much for sharing and thinking of me. Like I said, I am just so far behind, and I owe so many people so many thank yous just for their patience alone and always thinking of us at this time of the year. I'm about to get crazy and start some crafting, and it might be Christmas, it might be Valentine's, it might be all of the things at once, but I'm excited to get busy in here, back in my craft room, and I hope you guys join me for the next video. And thank you all for watching. Thank you, Angelica, and thank you, Jocelyn, for thinking of me. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.